The next trade I'm going to be breaking down is GBPUSD. I took this trade here. Um, so let's see. So we do a proper breakdown. Actually, I just use another chart. GBPUSD. Okay, so we'll take this from the daily time frame. So we have to determine um, the bias, sorry, the direction of the market. So as we can see, price has made a high, has made a lower high, a lower low, then it made a higher high. So we're currently in a bullish market from this point to this point here. Then we go on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour will give us a little bit more detail. So when price is sitting at a higher high, the objective is to make a higher low. So we can start to see that this is the low that gave, this is the H4 low that gave the H4 high. And take it a step further. So we're currently in the complex pullback range. So this is the H1 high, H1 low, H1 lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we made a new high. So now price failed to come into our H1 order block level, but we've come close enough from this range to this range. We've hit equilibrium, so we can start selling again. So we are premium levels. We go on the M15, and we can see that there's a ton of liquidity that needs to be taken out. And when we turn on our daily cycle, we can see that the Asia high has been taken out, and we had an internal break of structure with this low. So this is the low that gave a high. So we had internal structure, high, low, high, high, low, high, low, high, 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 low. Then the higher high came here, high, low, higher high, higher low, high, high, lower low. So when price came into this supply area, I quickly went on the M1 because I trade using the M1, and we can see that the initial area price tagged into was outside our time window, and this whole area got induced. So once we had an M1 low, gave us an M1 high, we had a M1 low and low. So we quickly took sells from this level here. You can see quickly took sells from here, and we cut it at this level here for a 1 to 4 versus the reward. But it went on to do a 1 to 13, but we were happy with a 1 to 4. As you can see, GU, same area we sold from, and we took it all the way for a 1 to 4 risk to reward.